Hello guys, in this video I want to show you guys how to create a child theme. What is a child theme? A child theme is a WordPress theme that inherits the functionalities, the features and the style of another WordPress theme, which is the parent theme. You can then customize the child theme without making any changes to the parent theme. What they are trying to say is that these are all parent themes. These are parent themes. While you have the features of the parent themes in the functions in the child theme themes, when you make changes to the child theme, it will not affect the parent theme. And when there is an update on the parent theme, it will not affect the changes you have already made to your website on the child theme. So this is how to create a WordPress child theme. First of all, you have to install a theme. The theme I call it, you go to the plugin section. You can always look at our video on how to install a plugin. So installation, you go up to tools, child themes, then you select the theme you want to create the child theme. In this case, I want to create child theme for Astra theme. I'll click on analyze. After the analysis, you make sure the name is here correctly, but you don't need to do anything apart from the analysis. Then you click on create new child theme. Now our child theme is being created. Now it has been created, right? It has been created. Once you go under appearance, you see that we have a new child theme. So instead of using the main theme, the parent theme in this case, we activate the child theme. So all the changes we are making to this website, they are being done on the child theme. So once there's a new update for Astra theme, the Astra theme will be updated. In this case, I choose enable auto update. So new updates are coming in. New update may carry new features, right? New features that might change the look of your website. But because you already have your own customization that you already like, the new features will not affect the customization except you decide to add some of the new features to your current child theme. So that is how to create a child theme. I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and you'll be able to see our next video. Thank you.